Okay, the second section of the William Tell Overture. Our left hand is in middle C. We move our right hand up a note, so our thumb is now on D. And we play finger 2 on the right hand, and we're going to go 2, 2. Now we play fingers 3 and 1 left, along with that 2 in the right, like this. So we'll do that again. 2, 2, same again, and again. Then we play 5 right, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 1, left hand, 1, 2, 3. Go to the right again. We're going to repeat what we just did. 2, 2, along with 3 and 1 on the left. 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 4. Now 3 will play the black note F sharp rather than the white note. We move our left hand up a note, bringing the thumb on to D, joining the right hand. We play 3 and 1 on the left, along with 4 in the right. 2 and 1 on the left, along with that F sharp 3 in the right again. And back to 3, 1 left with 4 right. So we'll just do that again. And the whole section from where we started with the 2 in the right. Up. Now the remainder of the song is the same as was at the start. We move back to middle C position and we have these 4s in the left hand again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5. Hold it. 2 and 4 in the left again. 4, 3, 2, move the left down the note, 5 along with 1, 3 with 3, and finish with 5 and 1.